Today I'm going to show you what's inside a lightning diamond. I want to thank y'all for staying tuned. I got a lot of cool stuff to show y'all, like this too, like the lightning diamonds. I got some of these. They're pretty cool. It's high quality diamond in that. It's nothing but diamond in that. Solid chunks, you see that? That lightning in there. Imagine faceting that. It'll really hit your eye, won't it? But yeah, I got a lot of cool stuff, diamonds like this. I even got some pink ones like this too, lightning diamonds, and some carbonados with gold in them that are lightning diamonds too. Pretty neat diamonds, huh? Is that? These lightning diamonds are awesome to the inside, man. That part right there. Kind of yellowish looking. And goes to white. And then it gets the lightning in it. Wow. I like these, man. I really do. Can't wait to faucet one of these and show y'all. I'm trying to get my certification on fauceting. Since I got all these diamonds and stuff, you know, might as well start making my own diamond line. And like I said, you gotta subscribe. By Christmas, I will be giving away a free, pretty good sized diamond, beautiful diamond. Hopefully I can faucet it by then, but to my subscribers, you know, all of y'all gonna be in the drawing. Whoever get the lucky paper pulled out of it, deal on Christmas will receive free shipping. I mean, I'll send it, everything, to one of my subscribers. It could be any of y'all, but I want to thank y'all, you know, for y'all, you know, watching my videos. And you know, I enjoy the comments, you know, and stuff like that. I like to, you know how I can better my stuff, or, you know, requests, you know, people want to see different things. I got all kinds of minerals. Whatever y'all want to see, just let me know, and I'll try to put it on the video. If I ain't got it, I'll let you know. I'm sorry I ain't got it, but more than likely I got it, you know. Gold, minerals, whatever y'all want, nuggets, platinum, anything, sapphires, amethyst, everything. I mean, really whatever y'all want, you know. Y'all my fans, you know, y'all watch my videos. I'll put it on for y'all, you know. That way y'all can enjoy it and see. And most of the stuff I got is like really, really rare. Ain't nobody got none like this. like this. Have you ever heard of lightning diamonds? You know, I don't think y'all ever heard of lightning diamonds. You know, stuff like that. That's kind of unique and rare stuff, you know. Lightning diamonds are just beautiful, you know. Not very many people hear that stuff, you know, 'cause there ain't much around. But like I said, if y'all want to see anything, paint a knife, whatever, I put it on for you. This is Raptor, and I enjoy, you know, doing stuff like this, and I go out in the hunt, look for these things. And I got plenty of it, and you know, I got fortunate for me to be able to have this stuff, you know. I don't know if it's fate or God's or whatever, but they chose me to find this stuff and put it out there, you know. There's some stuff y'all ain't never seen, like the rare gold, platinum, diamond, you know, all together in one. When do you hear of that stuff, you know? Where diamonds carved to the inside. People ain't got no, or scientists ain't even got no clue how they did it, you know. That's amazement stuff, you know. We still have yet to find out how they did it. And these are Indian tribes that did this, you know. We supposedly they were in the Stone Age, my tiny, man. These dudes had more intelligence and alien stuff than we will ever know. But anyways, I got all kinds of artifacts. Oh yeah, I got fossils, dinosaur bones, raptor eggs, raptor heads, all kinds of stuff, all kinds of cool stuff. Like I said, I could probably open a museum, but I'll probably do that later. But that way I can showcase history, you know. But yeah, just keep tuned and throw me some likes and subscribe, and you will be receiving, that's a promise from me to you, a free diamond on Christmas, or before Christmas. That way you can receive it on Christmas. Do the drawing like a week before, because it takes a while to get the shipping. That way you can have a diamond for Christmas, one of y'all subscribers. Well, anyways, been kind of hungry. I've been out in the hunt, and I just thought I would show y'all this and talk with y'all a little bit, because I'm planning to make a lot of videos, and I got a lot of stuff to show y'all. So, but stay tuned, and I will show you some really interesting stuff like these lightning diamonds.